Seriously? Girl, not now. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. Try to guess which side of my face is cheaper. Okay, it sounded a little bit weird. Which side of my face is not that expensive? Again, it's weird. Let me have a sip. How do I call it? More affordable, I'd say. So 3 products are gonna be under $7. Try to guess and let me know in the comments who's more affordable. Let's get started. I did my eyes off camera, my eyebrows, my foundation, but something is missing, and definitely this is some color. We're gonna be testing this new products that I have from More Academy. I'm gonna be using this on my, hey, let's do it on my right side. On my left side, I'll be using my really old makeup. We have 3 different products, but they're really important when you start doing your makeup. So without it, you look weird. This is gonna be More Makeup Academy Sun-Kissed Bronze. Soft tin bronzing powder that adds instant color and definition. And it comes with this plastic protector with some bubbles, you know, stressed out. Now with my angled brush, the one from Essence that I use every single time, I'm grabbing, tapping, placing. Wow. But it's good. I kind of like it. I think that I kind of like it. Diffuse this color a little bit. I guess it looks good. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my nose. I think that it's a little bit darker than I expected, but I'm not mad with this color. The next product that I'm gonna go with, it's gonna be this blushed matte blush powder from More Makeup Academy. I've been wanting some matte blush for a long period of time because the one I have from Wet n Wild has some shimmer in it. I want to keep something matte. So this blush might look a little bit darker. Oh my god, it has some plastic protector right here so it covers the whole blush. I'm going to take it off, grab a little bit because I have no idea how pigmented this is. Wow. Kind of like it. And you know that I love applying a little bit on my nose. Last but not least product, More Makeup Academy Shimmery Highlighter Powder. I'm grabbing a little bit on my brush, like this. Nice. Tapping off. Oh my god. This is definitely great. Oh my god. It's intense. Look at this glow. I love it. Well, this is good. I mean, look at this. So pretty. It says 12 month. Here it has 12 month as well. And here, 12 month probably? Yes, 12 month. All these products are cruelty free. Here. The left side, I'm gonna do with my old products from Wet n Wild. And here it is, the final result, guys. What do you think about my left side? I think that it looks a little bit more natural because the color, like my bronzer color, is more soft, so I kind of like it a little bit more than this side. About blush, so this blush, my right side is more pinkish and this one is more orangey. This highlighter looks warm and golden, you know, and really soft. And this highlighter is more aggressive. It's kind of frosty. More Makeup Academy, they don't really have lots of different colors, so basically you get the only color is this one. It's really powdery. I would say that it has a lot of shimmer. Let me apply it. So it has a lot of pearls inside. So it looks kind of cool. About blush, has pretty much the same consistency as this highlighter. It looks a little bit darker in the pan than it is on the hand. All of them are powdery. I guess that's pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this small video, then please let me know in the comments, subscribe to this channel, and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then again, tell me what you didn't like about this video so I can change it and make it better. Till my next video, bye bye.